Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and today's the first day of the new year on the trading side of things, and we gapped higher. Hadn't done a video here for some time, and just thought I'd do one. Had one of the people that follow me encouraged me to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this video here. Let's see, the open started right around here, 6:30, but you can see this large gap over the weekend, um, and and we started, let's see, 6:30 was right about in here. So from this point on, right around there, that was an actually pretty good area to get long. You can see you have a secondary little signal coming in right here. And this is just confirming what the price is already doing. The price is saying it's retesting possibly the old highs here, and there's the first attempt for it. It pulls back. Second attempt. The second attempt you can see is right in here, and that's consistent with this here. You're following the price. The indicators come along as a confirmation. It's not necessarily the deciding factor on what we do. You can see a trend line of resistance right across the top in here, and prices break right up on top of that, signaling an entry long. So that's just something there that is pointing out pressure, build-up of pressure, and the release of the pressure. And let me just go on here. You can see another turning point right in here. And again, some of these signals are maybe not the best. Some are better than others, but usually you'll get a color change. Maybe I'll show you in another area here, but this right here is another. You have a lot of pressure built up in here, and you have a release of the pressure. You have time, space, and energy. The space is where the bars pass through on the screen. The time is where time is moving sideways, 7:39, 7:56, 8:15, so on. And then the energy is what's being built up as time and space are expressed. So it's just a simple way of saying that how to read the price. And again, I won't go into a whole lot of it, but here's a first indication that there may be a turning point coming. You can see a primary turning point signal, but that may not necessarily be the best spot to get long based on the price action. Over on this side, this area right here does look a lot better. And if not even that area, even the second push area right in here actually would be an area I probably would get long going myself. This whole little phase right in here, it's just a reaction from the energy being released here. It's a reaction rally back up. And I just started following the market late in the day, and it's too bad that I didn't take the time to start a little earlier. But I did have a good trade in here. Basically ended the day flat. This was two tick loss. I gave the market the benefit of the doubt and trying to see if it has some follow through, but I exited at the market and then went short right here. This was a very good little entry spot, and it lines up exactly with the indicator below, but it's not the indicator below is telling you to go long. It's the price action that's telling you to go long, and there's lots of other reasons for it. And you'll notice where I covered was right where I expected the market to go, but I did give it a chance to go lower. It did go lower, but only after it retraced back up. And then at this point, I got a little bit on the anxious side, running out of time, and I just got a little impatient. Tried to go long. There was some major resistance up in here, but thought we might just go through it, end on the highs of the day, but that didn't happen. So this was a few tick loss, and it kind of ate into the profit that I made in here for a flat day. Had I just been a little bit more patient, this was the first push. We had a second push behind it, but that little area for short would have, it does match up right in line with this here, but it's not that the indicator is saying to go short, although it's kind of confirming what's already going on in the price. I didn't want to push it. Could have tried to have gone short somewhere right in here and made up for that, but right at the end of the day, I didn't want to take that on. Tomorrow's a new day. So thanks for tuning in.